Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the second installment of reviewing a roll from TikTok. This is the Nomadic Eats hot chicken bowl sushi roll. Inside is the hot chicken, a little bit of salsa. We have the black beans wrapped in the coconut rice. Then on top of is his aioli with pickled onion, crispy onion or shallots, and sprinkled a little togarashi on there. I'm excited to eat this. I ordered like another bowl and the pork bowl, and we ate those for lunch, and we're still full, but my mouth is watering already.
It smells so good, the coconut rice.
Oh man, I'm excited to eat this. We're gonna see how it stacks up against the sinigang roll, which was really, really good.
It's gonna be hard to beat that.
It is gonna be hard to beat that, but I know this is gonna be amazing because I can just tell.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Madam?
Oh my god. Oh, I am dipping in the coconut. Is that too much? Oh.
Yeah, long grain rice is hard to stick onto nori, but we made it work. Oh,
Oh my god. I mean, immediately.
Randy, what are you doing right now? I'm gonna text you.
Oh my god, it's so good. I mean, selling it in sushi form, come on now. The crispy onion on top. Oh, so good.
This is banging. This is fire. Dang, it's giving me goosebumps.
Oh my god.
His food always gives me goosebumps. It's so good. If you're a local in Pensacola and you haven't tried Nomadic Eats,
amazing.
You have to go get the hot chicken bowl sushi roll.
The adobo. What was it? Chicken adobo? Or is that pork?
That was pork. His other bowl, really
so
good as well.
So good too. This might be my favorite actually though. Oh my god. It's perfect.
Shout outs to his boys too for doing this for me. Look, you can dip it in the aioli and the salsa.
I mean, honestly, the amount that you have on there is really good. So good. Oh my god. I think, I'm not going to lie, I think this beat the sinigang roll.
Huh?
I think this beat the sinigang roll.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn. It's just so good.
Just the combinations of his bowl. Everything in it just makes so much sense. I'm sad because this is the last piece. I don't have enough rice for another roll.
It's okay.
I might actually.
There's other chicken over here.
Yeah. His chicken.
So good. That was the highlight of my day.
Wow.
So good.
12 out of 10. Would recommend. Even just his bowl. And I think on Fridays or Saturdays.
Any tacos?
He does the tacos. I should have got a taco because it was available today, but anything from there it's amazing. And what do you think? You think it's better than the sinigang roll? Is this on top? This number one?
Yeah.
We have to get a board. We have to get like a little board to have all the rankings of everything we make here.
What if we disagree though?
Well,
we fight to the death.
Yeah. And I say you make a better rule then. Y'all, that was really good.
That's so good.
So what should we do next?
I was gonna say your mom. I don't know.
Because it's gonna be hard to top this.
Yeah. Because the sinigang roll is like right underneath it. It's like close second.
No.
So to beat both of those,
I would eat another one of these.
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
fast.
Should have this at the wedding.
So I think I'm gonna agree and put this one up top.
Okay. Number one right here. And then sinigang.
And then the sinigang roll.
And then what?
And then, I don't know. I need recommendations. If you have any ideas, put them down below. But y'all, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna eat this. Alright, damn sure I'm gonna let it go to waste.
A little bit of rice. Oh, actually.
Even, this is what? 3 hours ago?
Yeah.
And it's cold.
So good.
And it's still good. Oh! You saw that?
I'm gonna dip it in the rice. Come on.
I feel nasty over here.
There's a little bit of beans over here too. Alright, I gotta work.
Alright, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Dudes. Oh. I mean, you just can't get any better than the best food wrapped into a sushi roll. It just makes so much sense. I'd like to thank Randy and Nomadic Eats and his 2 chefs back there killing the game. You know, without them, it wouldn't have been possible. Nomadic Eats, 9 East Gregory Street, right near the on-ramp to 110. If you're here local in Pensacola. If you're not from Pensacola, but you're nearby, you guys gotta come swing by because this is amazing.